5 dead, 12 missing in Texas and Oklahoma floods. At least 5 people have now been killed and 12 are still missing in some of the worst flooding ever to hit Texas and Oklahoma. Among those dead are 37-year-old firefighter Jason Farley, who drowned while attempting a water rescue in Claremore, Oklahoma. The bodies of 14-year-old Damion Blade and his dog were found in a storm drain near the teenager's home in Texas. And while Jonathan McComb is recovering in a hospital, his wife Laura and their 2 young children are still missing. Texas Governor Gregg Abbott has declared a state of disaster in 24 counties. The governor's office said that the severe weather is expected to continue throughout the rest of the week.
Leave an insightful comment on TomoNews.net and you could win up to $500 every month.